Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming core prerequisites so the activation won't fail. Log into My Vodafone or the Vodafone app using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the roaming section. Make sure your plan supports international roaming and that billing is current because carriers disable roaming for unpaid accounts. If you prefer, call Vodafone support to request roaming activation immediately. Otherwise, proceed in app. Save screenshots of any confirmation numbers and keep your device on and charged while the network applies changes. Once your account shows roaming enabled, go into your phone settings. For iPhone, tap cellular data options data roaming and switch it on. For Android, go to network and internet mobile network data roaming. Next, choose the carrier network manually if you don't connect automatically. This forces a registration attempt. Make sure your APN settings match Vodafone's recommended values. Incorrect APN blocks mobile data. Restart your phone after changes to refresh the SIM's registration with the foreign network. To finish, verify you see a foreign carrier name or Vodafone with a roaming icon and that signal strength is adequate. Make a short call, send an SMS, and load a small web page to confirm data. If services fail, restart your phone, toggle airplane mode for 30 seconds, and recheck APN and roaming toggles. If problems persist, contact Vodafone support with your account number and screenshots. Ask them to push a network refresh or remote SIM reprovisioning. That one troubleshooting step often resolves registration issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.